Everyday spending habits seem harmless on the surface. A coffee for $5, lunch for $15, transport for $4, snacks for $2, and subscriptions for $1.40. Do that every day. That's over $10,000 a year money gone. Why? Because most people don't follow a structured paycheck routine. But here's the truth. This single habit has helped thousands escape paycheck-to-paycheck living and build real wealth. Let's break it down into 5 simple steps you can start using from your very next paycheck.
You can't change what you don't track. So first, let's shine a light on where your money actually goes.
Classify and calculate needs versus wants. Start by looking at your last 6 months of spending. Separate everything into 2 columns. Needs, like rent, utilities, insurance, groceries, transport, and wants, like entertainment, eating out, subscriptions, upgrades. If it can be paused for 30 days, it's a want. Now total your essential expenses. That's your financial baseline. Keep it under 50% of your net income, ideally closer to 25%. If it's too high, reduce costs or increase income. Because remember, saving is limited. Income is not.
Now that you've trimmed the excess, it's time to protect what matters most, your peace of mind.
Build your emergency safety net. 1 in 5 adults have no emergency savings. That means one unexpected bill can trigger a debt spiral. Solution? Set aside 20% of every paycheck into a high-yield savings account, separate from your main bank. In the US, try Ally or Capital One 360. In the UK, use Chase, UK, or Monzo. Build enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essentials. Use it only for true emergencies, never for wants. Once it's full, redirect that 20% to investments or business.
With your safety net set, next cut the chains that quietly drain your future.
Eliminate high-interest debt. Before you invest, clear the liabilities that silently bleed your paycheck. Credit cards, payday loans, auto loans over 15% interest. Use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest first. Or use the snowball method. Start small for momentum. Example, a structured $500 per month repayment can clear $9,000 in mixed debts in under 2 years and save hundreds in interest. Once debt is gone, you free up income for wealth creation.
Your foundation's solid. Now comes the fun part. Calculated growth with upside.
Invest. Using tax-advantaged accounts. Taxes silently erode long-term growth. Use tools like 401k or Roth IRA in the US, stocks and shares ISA in the UK. Put 35 to 40% of your remaining income into these accounts monthly. Invest in S&P 500 ETFs like VOO or SPY, or total market funds like VTI. Historical returns 8 to 10% annually. Tax-free growth, minimal management, $250 per month invested at 8% becomes $1.3 million in 45 years. Automate it. Don't time the market. Just stay consistent.
Debt cleared? Good. Now let's put your freed up income to work the smart way.
Allocate for calculated growth. Once your basics, safety net, debts, and core investing are done, you can take 5 to 10% of your paycheck and use it for risk-based growth. Start a side business, explore crypto, launch a digital product, but only invest what you're prepared to lose, and never compromise your foundation.
That's your roadmap. Simple, repeatable, and powerful, one paycheck at a time. Every paycheck is a decision point. Use this system and convert income into lasting value. If this helped you think differently about money, like the video and subscribe to the channel. for more powerful systems that build financial freedom.